So today's video starts in Bryn Bach Park, just right up behind Tredegar, behind Blackwood. So we're going to explore the lake today. It's going to be a short video for the channel because it's a lot of walking and I don't think there's much of, well, there are things to show you but there's not things to do. It's a walk video. So I'll try and make this as interesting as I can. But I have never seen so many geese on one lake ever. Even when I was in Iceland with all the Canadian geese out there, just down there is a crazy amount of geese. But it's a cool place. They got a climbing sort of centre right by here. There's an area where you can rent yachts and canoes to go on the lake. You can actually go fishing too. I'm actually standing on a fishing pontoon right now. But yeah, let's just check out the nature around here, show what's going on. The visitor centre is full of children, obviously I'm not going to film in there, but yeah, let's check it out. You can even see the hire boats on the other side there, a bit like Roath Park I guess, but there's not enough wind for the wind turbines as you can see in the back there. So just so you guys know where I am, I'm just going to do a little overlay, maybe Google Maps or something else just to illustrate where I am, but we're right at the back of Ebervale, right at the back of Blackwood. Close to Bryn Bach, maybe Merthyr Tydfil to the northwest a bit. Oh well, directly west actually. But yeah, let's check out this place. And if you like the video, come and check it out yourself. Or if you like fishing, that is a nice spot. Let's go. I didn't take the videos off here from yesterday, neither. Just for reference to the coffee here is quite good, and the toasties. They're not gourmet though, they're sort of more like greasy spoon style, but the toasties are great. Coffee's good. Nice and strong coffee. There's another fishing pontoon. They've also got a trailer park here as well, and a designated campsite, which is great. We're actually in the British summer right now, so it came on an off day. But yeah, you can bring your own trailer homes right here. There's a lot of fishing pontoons. I've been here like twice before, but I haven't walked this far on this side of the lake. But yeah, there's 2 fishing pontoons here. And then we've got a well-being work hub by here. Work hub. What is in it? I guess this is like remote working, I guess, where you can come here and work right next to the lake. Yeah, there's like offices in there, so you call them hot desks, but they've called them well-being work hubs. I guess in city centre you would call them hot desks. Out here they're well-being work hubs. I don't know what that is. These are rental bikes, quads. You know what this should be good for? You plug your phone in and then you work a bunch of kinetic energy to charge your phone. That's what my head says, but I think it's just a workout. A body warm up, yeah. I mean, you could literally plug your phone in there and charge it. That was a nice walk. So we walked all the way from the cafe here to here. It took less than 15 minutes. It looked massive from there. So it's going to take another 15 to 20 to get back around. But yeah, that was a great little walk. I have to admit, there's loads of nature here. Unfortunately, there were 2 dead carp down there, which looked like it was down to a fisherman that doesn't know how to look after fish properly. Because the 2 dead carp in the same place is quite abnormal. Anyway, let's continue the walk. I would love to get on that island, but I'm assuming that the boat hire is off at the moment because of the weather, but we'll have to come back when the weather's really good and explore that island in the middle. That would be fantastic. Anyway, let's continue the walk. This actually leads up to Tredegar. If you continue the path up, it goes into the town of Tredegar and the Gurnos estate. So let's keep going. Someone's made a little shelter in here. And then there's a bird box right up there. Maybe we should have rented them. So this is where the radio control boat club does their boats. Yeah, so this is where the boat club sells their remote control boats, huh? Right, it's starting to hammer down now, we should speed up. The heavens have truly opened. So that's going to be it for today's video. Time to get dry.